AIG IBD Center presents targets to treat in IBD on 22nd and 23rd March at Taj Sidade Goa Horizon, Goa. Patron would be Dr. D. Nageshwar Reddy, the chairman of AIG Hospital, and the course director, Dr. Rupa Banerjee, director of IBD Center, AIG Hospitals. A session was held on 22nd of March and a Day 2 session would be held on 23rd March 2024. First session would be on development of IBD, what are the basic targets. Session 2 would be diagnostic targets and tools and techniques. The speakers would be Dr. Vinit Ahuja, Dr. Matthew Phillips, Dr. A.S. Puri, Dr. A.C. Anand and Dr. Govind Makharia. Session 3 would be on precision and personalized targets. Speakers would be Dr. Devendra Desai, Dr. Usha Datta. Survey presentation by Dr. Rajendra Patel. Session 4 would be on targets of advanced therapy by speaker Dr. Vandana Midha, Dr. Ajay Kumar and Dr. Vishal Sharma. Session 5 would be on dietary targets, a survey-based panel discussion, a survey presentation, patients Dr. Nalini and the physicians Dr. Prabhu Bharat. Session 6 would be on the interventional targets, the surgery and endotherapy by Dr. Nilay Mehta, Dr. Partha Pal, Dr. Adarsh Chaudhary and Dr. G.V. Rao. Session 7 would be beyond IBD targets, a panel discussion, and the panel members would be S.K. Tyagi, Dr. Nitin Joshi, Dr. Akash Shukla and Dr. Karambir Chakravarti. This will be followed by a gala dinner at Sidade, Goa.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.